What's up guys, it's Seb from Wolf Media here, and in today's video I'm showing you how to easily find trending sounds for your Instagram Reels. So if you didn't know already, Instagram Reels is actually the #1 way to grow your account in 2022. And a big factor to growing on Instagram Reels is using trending sounds. So you may or may not know that this is a thing. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is showing you exactly how to find trending sounds in Instagram. So first things first, go ahead and open up your Instagram account. Now, the first thing you want to do in order to find trending sounds is, of course, head over to the Reels tab. The sounds are displayed at the bottom left corner of your Instagram Reels tab. So here you can see CBL wait what. So that is actually the sound, and you can actually go ahead and click on that and you'll actually get more information about this. Now, quick disclaimer, this actually was a trending sound in the past, but it no longer is, and it's now displayed as a normal audio. So let me show you how to find a trending sound. All you have to do is keep scrolling until you see a sound with an arrow pointing up to the top right. So this is actually a trending sound. And what we can do is click on that to expand it a little bit more, and then we get more details about this. Now, this is where the interesting part comes in. So here you can see that this is a trending sound and it currently has 73,000 reels created with this sound. So what we want to do with that knowledge is kind of just go through this little page right here and actually see how many views all of these videos are getting. So here you can see the original one only has 615,000 views, then the second one has 250,000 views, one's almost got 1 million, but then the rest are fairly small. We've got another 250,000 views, then the rest 10, 19. So not a lot of them are actually reaching over 100,000 views. So you kind of want to analyze this and see if a lot of videos are actually going over 100,000 views. And if it is, then I'd recommend you to press the save audio section, and then you'll be able to use that sound or audio in your next reel when you go ahead and create it. So to me, this one isn't a very trending sound. So it is currently trending, but it's not performing very well. So what we want to do is keep scrolling until we keep finding a trending sound. So this one, for example, has 114,000 reels. And you can see right off the bat, the original has 8.8 million. So if the original already has a couple million, then that's already a good sign. And you can already see on the first 9 videos that I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of those 9 videos reached over 100,000 views. So that is actually telling me that this sound is trending and it's doing very well for a lot of other videos. Obviously, you can keep scrolling down and see if other videos are doing just as well. One's got 1.4 mil, 162K. So we can actually see that this video or this audio is doing very well. So what we'll do is go back, save this audio. Now, a quick bonus tip, when you're actually looking for trending sounds and you come across a trending sound that only has about 4,000 or 10,000 reels created with that audio, quickly analyze it and then see if that audio is going to fit within your content. And I would actually really think about creating an audio or a reel with that audio, because chances are that that has just started trending and it's going to explode in the next couple of days. So if you can get ahead of a trend and post before everyone starts to post, so before it gets to over 100,000 reels created with that sound, then you're going to be ahead of the game and your video is going to stand out and get way more views. It's going to be on the explore page to a lot more accounts, rather if you've joined a trending audio later on where it's at 100K reels created or 250K reels created. So kind of take that as a little piece of advice. Try and get on trends a little bit earlier. Same thing with when you're actually creating videos of a trend, try and get on them as soon as possible so you have the best chance of actually getting pushed out to the explore page and just growing your account. So that's how to easily find trending sounds for your Instagram Reels in 2022. Hope you did like this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.